You have a lot of pizza in your mouth.
It's hurting my mouth. My arm is broken.
Your arm is broken. Well, I hope not.
My arm can't move like this because it's not.
What happened? What happened?
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Eat your pizza.
Eat.
You want me to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm watching you eat. Are you eating a breadstick?
Huh?
Yeah. Is it good? What are you doing? Oh, you're wiping it off?
Arm is hurt.
Yeah.
So, so
Yeah.
this,
Oh, you want to say grace?
yeah.
Okay. God is
Is
great.
great.
God is
Is
good.
good.
Let, move your hands away from your mouth. Us
Is
thank
great.
him
Same
for
for
our
our
food.